Some people who know say from we have private jet and we have travel. We have to travel. Hey, listen to me now. Oh, yo, big man. You don't know it got people. Me have travel and me have a private jet, so me have to travel with my security. See my security card up and him responds to me. You understand?
Right, that's
yeah, this is my walk with. Make sure me alright. You see me? And we have unknown alliance. Bounty killer send him to make sure I'm good. You see me? And big up the elder. Remember them when I used to walk with the Brockback special from around one part, one place. And now, listen to me now. Big up the whole water, say, my agent here, I'm responsible to all business.
Right now.
See? And you know, as a private jet owner, you have to travel with your private chef. Celebrity blood clot chef. See me? Yeah. Master of everything. See me?
Private chef.
Coconut cream and sea meat. Hold on, car. Yeah. See that? Shrimp with sea meat with corn and
show them.
Jesus Christ.
Look at it.
Watch out. Whoa! It's beautiful. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Show them.
Yeah, see me, I'm a celebrity chef.
Yeah.
Chef, I don't want, put on back your mask. Don't talk too much about my food. I'm never gonna pay. Yo, when you take on the ear and smell this. Harry Toddler, take your ear and smell this. Harry Toddler. Video face, dead kitchen, video face.
Yeah, Toddler, you want to talk about a boat man around. I want to get Toddler.
Yeah, taste is with your eye.
Taste is with your eye, man. You fuck that.
Yo, taste is with your eye, Toddler. Yo, Toddler.
Yo.
Toddler face. Yo, taste is with your eye.
Who say Foota not live no life of foreign? Who them?
Yo, Charlie Black. Me don't see you cook no sea meat. Me don't see you have no shrimp in your plate. Yo, Charlie Black, so what go on? I be a sardine, me see you eat from river. It not good.
Charlie Black stone now,
Yo, Charlie Black. Yeah, people, we out in the world.
We out in the world, you know something go already.
Yeah, me celebrity chef.
Man, you know something come down already.
Yeah, me hire him for cook some sea meat.
Yeah, man.
And see me chief of security, Kartel, him responsible to play music. And, you understand? Don't ramp with it.
Yo, so Kartel go on.
Don't ramp with it, don't ramp with it.
Kartel, don't ramp with it.
Yeah, yeah.